The Pixel leaks just keep coming. With less than 3 days to go before Google's big launch event, yet another leak has given us a first look at the unboxing experience of the Pixel 8. PBK reviews show off an unboxing video of the Pixel 8 device. This video not only gives us a sneak peek inside the box, but also shows off the design. The brief look confirms that Google's packaging will be virtually identical to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7, with a USB-C to USB-C cable included inside along with documentation and a quick switch adapter. The setup screen also appears identical. Unlike the Pixel 8 Pro, which has that matte back, the Pixel 8 will rock a glossy one, and honestly, it looks pretty darn cool. They don't show the front too much. An unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro has also been surfaced in images. Shared on Facebook, new images show off an unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. Also of note here is the apparent matte glass on the black Pixel 8 Pro, something we saw in a previous leak. We also see a similar matte texture on the porcelain color, but it's hard to tell if that's on the device or just a consequence of the poor image quality. Pre-order deals for US has also been leaked. With Pixel 8 Pro, you'll get a new Pixel Watch 2. And considering the Pixel Watch 2 might go for around $350, that's a nice pre-order deal. If you're leaning towards the regular Pixel 8, you'll get the Pixel Buds Pro for free. Leak shows the official prices for the phones. The Pixel 8 Pro is still priced the same as last year, while the regular variant is seeing a $100 price hike. Next, there are more official promo videos of the Pixel 8 lineup where Google is making it super easy to switch to Pixel. Google also shows off some AI features including Real Tone, Change Face, Magic Eraser, and more. Next, the marketing materials show off the official silicone cases for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The Pro comes in bay, charcoal, mint, and porcelain colors, while the Pixel 8 gets rose, mint, charcoal, and hazel. They kinda look like last year's cases. All in all, with the use of AI, we might be in for a whole new smartphone experience, and Google with its Pixel phones might have an upper hand. Google is bringing improved displays with the Pixel 8 lineup, which is true, but the improvements are way better than what was initially reported. The Pixel 8 Pro will boast a display with a peak brightness of a hopping 2400 nits. Forget the earlier rumor of 1600 nits, it's 2400, which is crazy bright compared to Samsung and Apple. The regular Pixel 8 will also shine with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, not the 1400 nits previously mentioned. So it doesn't matter how blazing the sun is, you will have absolutely no problem viewing these displays in even extreme outdoor conditions. But wait, there's more good news. The Pixel 8 Pro will sport a true LTPO display with a 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate. The previous rumor said it would only go down to 5 Hz. This means better battery life as the phone won't waste energy on high refresh rates when you're looking at still images. Now for charging speeds, there's an upgrade too. The Pixel 8 Pro doesn't just support 27-watt wired charging like we heard before, it's actually 30-watt. The Pixel 8 sticks with 27-watt. Wireless charging speed remains the same, but here's the bummer, the storage speed. The leaks got it wrong again. Google is sticking with UXS 3.1 instead of jumping to USA 4.0 as the rumors said. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.